What's the meaning of Christopher Marlowe? Christopher Marlowe. Christopher Marlowe.
Christopher Marlowe. Christopher Marlowe. Christopher Marlowe was an English playwright, poet, and translator who lived during the late 16th century. He is known for his contributions to Elizabethan drama and for being a contemporary of William Shakespeare. Marlowe's works often explored themes of religion, politics, and morality, and he is remembered as a significant figure in the literary and cultural history of England. Despite his relatively short life, Marlowe had a lasting impact on English literature and continues to be celebrated as a pioneering figure of the Renaissance.